Hey, what's up guys? I go by the name Soji Gray and welcome to the best Android home screen setup of the week, where I share with you the best looking Android home screen setups on planet Earth. Yes, you heard right, and if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that anytime a new video is released, you're going to be updated instantly. Now, the launcher I'm using in this setup is from EV Launcher. There are reasons why I love EV Launcher. It's a simple, it's a smooth, it's a free to download, and there are no ads in this launcher, which is very cool. The icons I'm using in this setup is from MIUI 10 Pixel Icon Pack. It has this MIUI vibe and a pixel vibe, so it's circular, it's colorful. It is a good looking icon pack. Now, as you can see, I have this really nice triangular look on the home screen. To achieve this, you're going to have to go to the EV Launcher settings. You're going to go to home screen settings, and you're going to make the columns 7, and you're going to make the rows 10. And the icon pack size, I mean, you can make it whatever way you want it, but mine was set to 86, and that is how come I have the look I have right now on this home screen setup. Now, once you have done that in the settings, you're going to come back to the home screen, and what you're going to do is that you're going to import the first 5 layer of apps. So these are apps you use frequently. So the first layer is going to be 5. It's going to fill the bottom half of the home screen. So once you have the first 5 layer, you're going to import another 3. So 3 icons on the second layer and 1 icon on the third layer. So then you're going to have this triangular look on your home screen. So right above the triangular icons, you have a widget from Widgets KWGT. Now, this widget is a very cool and functional widget. It has 4 icons on the left. So you have a clock icon, a weather icon, a music icon, and then you have a circular system information icon. So at the clock icon, you have details such as today's date, the time, your alarms, and then your upcoming calendar events. Now, once you click the weather icon, you're gonna have a different widget, and it gives you details of your current weather forecast, which is very cool. Now, once you click the next icon, which is the music icon, you have a music widget, and you can interact with this widget as well. You can play and pause music, you can skip to the next song, and it has details such as the cover art, the title of the song, and the artist name, which is very cool. So right after the music widget and the music icon, we have a circular system information icon, and with that, it has a widget that gives you details of your remaining RAM, your remaining storage capacity, and your remaining battery capacity as well. So the reason why I like this widget is that it's kind of like a 4-in-1. So you have like different widgets but merged into one widget, so you can save space, you can save time, you don't have to have a lot of clutter on your home screen. It is very simplified, and that is one of the main reasons why I love the Widgets KWGT widget pack. But I really love this widget, and you can easily download it. I think the default widget from Widgets is very complicated. I actually simplified this one, so just go to the description section and download it, and then follow the steps I did mention earlier, and then you can have it on your home screen with the same functions as well. The wallpaper I'm using in this setup is going to be linked down in the description section. It's this dark green landscape wallpaper, and I love it. It fits this home screen. It makes this home screen come to life, and I mean, you can just check it out and see if you love it as well. So that is that for this week's Android home screen setup of the week. If you do have any comments, if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments section below. I'll be there to answer all your questions, to take in all your criticisms, to take in all your suggestions. And thanks for watching this episode of The Device Hub. I'll catch you in the next one. Have a blessed week.